Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about hybrid vehicles, and is purchasing a hybrid vehicle right for you? There's a lot that kind of goes into this because even with hybrid vehicles, you still have a lot of the maintenance that you have on a regular vehicle. Everything from brakes to air filters, regular starter batteries, and computer components, cooling systems, etc. So there is maintenance cost involved for sure, just like a regular vehicle. There is often a higher cost when purchasing a hybrid vehicle, sometimes anywhere from a couple $1,000s to $10,000 depending on the make and model. So what you need to determine is how many miles a day will you be driving this vehicle and how much gas will you be saving. Hybrid vehicles tend to get double the mileage or so of their counterparts that are just gasoline. So if you're driving over 100 miles a day typically, then a hybrid vehicle may be right for you and you may want to consider purchasing one. If you're driving less than that, it will take you well over 5 years to recoup the money that you spend on a hybrid vehicle versus the counterpart that's not hybrid. All things to take into consideration whenever you're thinking about purchasing a hybrid or non-hybrid vehicle. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.